So today we are going to be drawing a shop step by step. So you're going to need a ruler, a bunch of markers, and some colored pens, including a Sharpie or a black pen. So the first thing we are going to do, we're going to take the ruler and draw a line, a straight line vertical up to do one of the walls of the building, the shop. Then we're going to do the bottom, a horizontal line, not fully across the paper, but a good chunk of the paper covered by it. Next, we're going to draw the other side of the wall and the roof. So we're going to draw a little above the wall and make it overlap. And then we're going to draw the other side of the wall. Next, we're going to make it 3D and draw a slanted line that way. We're going to do the same thing on the top of it, but not go so far on that one line. Next, we're going to draw a line to make it symmetrical with the other, and then draw another slanted line. Next, we're going to draw another horizontal line and connect those two lines. Then we're going to draw up for the second story of the house. And then draw connecting that line to the outside to make it 3D. But not overlapping on the other side, like so. Now we're going to draw the door. We're going to draw a line symmetrical to the other side. And draw another line. And then a third one to complete the door. And then we need a doorknob. So draw a small circle to the middle of the door to the right. Next, we're going to do the window of a horizontal line, two horizontal lines, and then two vertical lines to make a square, or a rectangle if you wish. Next, we're going to measure how long the line is, the horizontal line is. Half that, make a dot, and then draw a line up. Like that. We're going to draw another dot and then make the line go. And then we finished. We're gonna draw 2 other lines slightly out of the window, then do 2 slanted ones to make a windowsill. And then 2 small lines to hold up the window. We're going to repeat that window, except slanted, onto the next wall. This time keeping parallel to the lines. Of the house. Then we're going to make the box a square or a rhombus, however you could see it. And then make a straight line down. Then another one. And then put 2 more lines to make the windowsill. And then 2 small lines to hold up the window. Now we're going to do the top 2 windows for the store and repeat the process, making a square, dividing the square into fourths, making the windowsill, and putting support for the window. If you want, you could add little plants to the windows to make it look more appealing to the eye, but if not, that's okay. Repeating those steps. Then putting up the support and then making the windows. Next, we're going to spell groceries out for the sign. We'll color that in later, but for now, that's it. Now we're going to make a sign called open, and then make a little square around it. And then make it look as if it's hanging. Now we're going to create a sign that says low prices, but first we're going to make the sign and then write it. That's our sign. And then we're going to go 2 long lines or short lines down. And then we're going to write low prices. With an arrow pointing toward the store. And then 2 small lines to show that it's in the ground. Now we're going to do short lines, short slanted lines parallel to the lines of the roof. Make them evenly spaced because we're going to be coloring them in. So that's it. Now we're going to do the other side. And then that's the other side. Now we're going to color one pink and then the other blue. So just to show, I'm going to do one pink, a blank spot for the blue, and then another pink. Now I'm going to use light blue to fill in the other. And then repeat that step many times to fill in the entire thing. So I've done that, and now we're going to take light green and color in the spots in between. Filling in all the white gaps from the paper. And now we're going to fill in the shop, but I'm not going to fill in the entire entire page. I'm just going to do one side of the shop like that, just to show you how it could look. Now we gotta fill in the low prices sign with wood. And dark brown marker. So my marker almost ran out while I was drawing, so I'm not going to fill in the entire page. So that's it. We drew a shop. Thank you for watching this video.